Hi guys, welcome to our newly updated Watts on Wheels website. We built this as a hub for you so you can find our videos, our blogs, travel tips, and more. So let's take a quick tour of it so you know where to find stuff.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play.
Okay, I'm just a pretty face in our weekly YouTube videos. And you know, Karen does all the work. She does all the videoing, editing. Probably going to cut half of this out just to make it look good. Well, she just updated our entire website. So you guys swing by, check it out. And I think it looks really good.
So go check out the new website. Click around in it. It is wattsonwheels.info, and I will put that in the description below. Go to the home page for sure, because on the home page there's a button for you to subscribe to our monthly newsletter. Now that's where you'll find the behind the scenes updates, and it's stuff you're not going to see on YouTube for the most part. And occasionally we'll sneak in a video that only you guys will be able to see.
On the home page, you'll see a subscribe box. That's how you'll get our monthly newsletter with behind-the-scenes stories you won't see on YouTube. You'll also find quick links to our YouTube playlist, campground reviews, maintenance and repairs, road trips, and of course, Dave's DIY fixes on the popular What You Doing Now, Dave page. On the About Us page, you can learn more about our journey, from Michigan winters to Georgia sunshine, how we met, and how we started RVing back in 2017. You could even see a video of a newspaper feature about us. And of course, you'll find more ways to contact with us, from email to Facebook, YouTube channel, Instagram, and our Amazon store. On the Find Us page, you'll check out our travel map, the perks and passes that save us money on the road, and our seasonal travel rhythm, where we usually head in fall, winter, spring, and summer. For the latest updates, be sure you subscribe to our newsletter. And here's the blog page. It's the biggie. Our blog containing our newsletter is where we share the extras, behind the scenes moments, tips, stories, and the fun stuff that doesn't always make it into our YouTube videos. We post about once a month, usually the first week, so there's always something new to enjoy. Just subscribe on the home page so you'll always be in the loop. You can unsubscribe at any time. And finally, the gear page, where we share tools, gadgets, and RV essentials we use or recommend. Shopping through our Amazon store for gear or even anything such as everyday items helps support our journey at no extra cost to you. And if you are using a mobile device, you can just scroll down a little ways and sign up for our newsletter. Then go to the 3 lines in the upper right corner, click on that, and you will see the pages of which you can click on individually to see the home page, About Us, Find Us, our blog newsletter page, and then the gear page for our Amazon store.
And don't forget our Saturday YouTube videos. They keep rolling every week.
Yep.
Okay, but the monthly newsletter has its own extras y'all want to see. We're excited to stay connected and share the ride with you.
See you all on the road.
It's blooper time. This is Dave versus the script.
And we expect to stay, let me redo that one. We expect to stay connected.
We're excited to stay connected and share the ride with you.
We're excited to stay, let me try that again, take 2. We're excited to stay connected and now never mind. We're excited to stay connected and share the ride with you, right? We're excited to stay connected and share the ride with you.
Thanks for rolling with Watts on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing you. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something and have a beer.